Guys, today I'm going to show you how I like to use shrink film to make keychain charms. You can also make all sorts of jewelry with it. So first you're going to need shrink film. I'm using a clear version. Then you're going to need washi tape and Sharpies. First, pick out the image that you want to trace, or you could freehand. And make sure your image is fairly large if you want your charm to be large, because it's going to shrink it about 60%. You're going to cut out your image, and don't forget to hole punch unless you are making a pin. So it says to put it on parchment paper, but being an Asian household, I don't have any, but I would highly recommend parchment paper.
I see the God in your eye, hear the thunder in your quiet. Your radiance is blinding. Let me wander with ya. Won't you take me as your siren? Take me as your siren. Sentimental dreaming.
I'm using my Turner's acrylic gouache to paint my car. This is the first time I've tried painting these.
It'll stay like this. Don't know how much longer I can take like this. Please, please, no, I can't live like this. Please, won't you please save me from this sentimental dreaming.
And that's pretty much how I use my shrink film. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys!